Hi, good morning, Rylan. I haven't seen you for a while. How's school?
I'm good.
Good. Okay, I got your blood pressure here. It's 108/53, and your pulse is 68, respiration of 20, and your temperature is 98.3, and your height is 4 feet 1, and your weight is 75. That makes your BMI 24, and that's your within normal range. Okay, so this is your physical assessment for your school. So we'll start. Okay, let me see. Let me see your hand. Okay, color is even, normal to raise. No lesion, no wound, no discoloration, no pigmentation. Nails are pink. Capillary refill is less than 3 seconds. Go. Let me check on your head now. Hair is evenly distributed. No infestations, no baldness. Head is symmetrical. Can you turn your head to the right, to the left? Your right ear to your right shoulder. Left ear to your left shoulder. Put your hand down. Okay, let me check on your lymph nodes. Preauricular, postauricular, occipital, maxillary, mental, cervical, postcervical, supraclavicular. There's no palpable, no tenderness on the lymph nodes. Let me check on your. Can you close your eyes and then I'll ask you to sniff on something and tell me what you smell. Close your eyes. What do you smell?
Um,
What is that?
uh, it's
What? Tell me now. You have to.
it's
What?
it's powder.
Smells good. Perfume?
My perfume.
Okay. Close your eyes. What is it?
Coffee.
Good. Cranial nerve 1 is intact. Can you feel this? What's this?
Um,
How does it feel?
like metal.
Hot?
Cold.
Okay. What about this? Can you feel it?
Yes.
Okay. Cranial nerve number 5 is intact. Okay. Open your eyes now. Can I check on your mouth? Open your mouth. Buccal mucosa is pink, moist, no lesion, no wound. Stuck out your tongue for me. Up, down. Tongue is pink, moist. Stuck out your tongue. Okay. Let me see. Okay. Cranial nerve number 7 is intact. Let me tell me what is this taste.
It tastes like salt.
Okay. What about this?
Sugar.
Sugar. Okay. Symmetrical. No limitation on range of motion. No jugular vein distension. Do you have any pain?
No.
No mass, no tenderness. Let me listen to your neck. There's the carotid artery blue. Yeah. Let's go to the eyes. The eyes are symmetrical, eyebrows are symmetrical, no wounds, no lesion, no excessive lacrimation noted. Conjunctiva are pink. Let me check. Just look straight. Positive red eye reflex. No noted bleeding in the vessels. Corneas opaque. Pupils are 3, brisk, reactive to light. Close this eye and look at this one. Tell me if it's on the right or left.
Left. Right. Right.
Down or up?
Down. Down. Up.
Okay, close that eye. Close it with your left hand. There you go. Can you see this?
Yeah.
What side?
Left. Right. Down. Down. Up.
Up. Okay, cranial nerve number 3 is intact. No diplopia, no ptosis. Okay, I want you to cover your right eye with your right hand. Okay, and when I point to the letter, tell me what it is.
B. M. C. B. C. D. X.
Okay, your 20/20 vision. Okay, let me examine your ears now. So ears are symmetrical, no noted excessive discharges. Let me check on the ear. Eardrum is intact on the left. Eardrum is intact on the left. You just need to clean your ears. Okay. And then let me know what did I tell you? Did you hear me? What did I say?
Okay.
Okay. Let me know if you can hear this.
I can hear it.
Which can you hear faster? The one in the ear or the one here?
The one in here.
Okay. Cranial nerve number 8 is intact. Wait, did you turn off? Okay, let's go in the mouth. The lips are pink, but a little bit dry. Maybe you need some water. Okay, can you open your mouth for me? Okay, teeth are complete. No dental caries, only misaligned teeth. I think you need to go and visit your dentist. I have already let you tasted the sweet and the salty taste. Cranial nerve number 10, 12, 7, 9 are all intact. Okay, let's go to the nose. The nose are symmetrical. Is there any pain?
No.
No pain. Let me check on the inside of the nose. The inside nostril is painted, is moist and pink. The other nostril is patent. No wound, no lesion. No noted deviated septum. Now let me check on your thyroid, okay? Is there any pain here?
No.
Can you swallow for me? No palpable thyroid gland. Can you shrug your shoulders up? Turn your head against my hand on the left, right. Okay, cranial nerve number 11 is intact. Skin on the chest is even, normal to color and race. No lesion, no wound, no skin pigmentation, just a little birthmark on the back of the neck. AP to lateral diameter are equal, appropriate to age. Can you deep breathe in and out for me? Respiration is even and unlabored. No use of accessory muscles, no nasal flaring. Chest are even, bilaterally symmetrical on excursion. No signs of difficulty of breathing. Respiration 20, normal and unlabored. I want you to say 99 continuously as I examine your chest, okay?
99, 99, 99, 99, 99, 99, 99, 99, 99, 99.
Normal tactile primitus. I want you to keep on saying 99.
99, 99, 99, 99, 99, 99, 99, 99.
Normal vocal primitus.